Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. This is the last announcement for this class this semester. Everything that you have submitted, including exam number 3 that was due last night, has been graded on Blackboard. As a result, your final total score should include the results of your exam number 3 and any final late submissions. To calculate your final grade, consider the following grading scale based on your final number of points. From 900 to 1000, you get an A. From 800 to 899, you get a B. From 700 to 799, you get a C. From 600 to 699, you get a D. And anything below 599 points is an F. I'm scheduled to post these grades by Sunday night. If you think there's an error in the calculation of your final score, or if there are any questions, please contact me as soon as possible at scortez@sdccd.edu because these grades need to be submitted by Sunday night. Also, there are some of you missing multiple assignments. If you plan to submit them, you need to do it between today and tomorrow. Otherwise, your final score will stay as it is now. It was a pleasure having you in class this semester. Wish you the best with all of your future pursuits and hope you have an awesome summer. Congratulations to those of you who are graduating. I wish you lots of success and happiness. Best, Samuel Cortez.